Hey beauties, it's Riri. Welcome back, or welcome if you are new. I hope you are doing fantastic and having the most amazing day. I just received my Ipsy Extra, formerly BoxyCharm by Ipsy. Of course, I'll drop all of our details right here for you guys, and we're gonna dive in. I'd like to know if anybody has any birthdays, anniversaries, celebrations, anything like that. If so, happy anniversary, happy birthday, whatever the case may be. I also want to know, currently when I am filming today, it is supposed to be over 100 degrees with 108 heat index. Yay. And I would like to know what the weather is like right now as you're watching this. Comment down below and let me know. I also want to know too, like, are you somebody that, as we're kind of veering into like August time frame, are you already starting to cool off, or does it still stay pretty warm there? Because here it's pretty warm. I would say it doesn't really get cold here until like October-ish, but yeah, I'm curious. I'm gonna shut my mouth and we're gonna dive in. Alright, we always get our little informative pamphlet. We do generally have a theme for each month. This gives us like pertinent details, how to use things like that. They did also, a couple months back, bring back the bags. I like the bags. I don't necessarily always keep them, but I think they're nice to have for travel, for me to put into giveaways and things like that. So I do like the bag. And then we're gonna go in. Okay, first up we have a big old size. This is the Skin & Co. They're made in Italy. This says the Umbrian Truffle Clay Toning Formula Balancing Complex for Deep Purity. And we do get 5 full-size products in here. That is a massive size, which makes me very happy. Next up is the Verb Amber and Jasmine Hair and Body Fragrance Mist. If you know, you know. I have a love-hate relationship with fragrance. I love fragrance. I have a ton of fragrance. I love it. But I'm very particular, so let's smell it together. Why not? I'm gonna grab this little Phase It sticker thing and spray it out here first. Of course, the dry down and stuff on the skin is different than on a piece of paper. Okay, that's much lighter than I thought. I'm gonna spray one little spray on my arm. There's something in it that I don't think I like, and I generally think that it's probably the amber fragrance from it. It's not awful, but it's not my favorite, so I don't know that I'll be keeping that. Next up, I also received one of these in my PR package. I did already gift it to somebody. This is the Lovecraft Beauty, the Tubular Lip Paint in New Wave Nude. I do actually think I got a different shade in that one. I think that one was like cassette something, so I do want to see what this shade is. I love lip tints. I'm wearing one today. That is what it looks like. Let me do a quick swatcheroo. I actually think I'm going to keep this. That is right up my alley. It is the type of shade that I use consistently. I'm going to go ahead and stick it over here with all of my other 8,000 lip tints that I have. I absolutely love them. I will line my lips generally even if I'm not actually doing makeup, just because my lips are so unevenly shaped. So I like this. I like a product like this. Next up is another one of my all-time favorites. I was gifted some and I've purchased multiple since then. This is the Huda Beauty, the Blush Filter in Instant Guava. I do actually need to make sure I don't have this shade, but if I don't, I'll definitely be keeping these. I will note right now, I think if you're using these for more of like a lip tint, I use them for both, then you're fine. Put it on and kind of blend it out really quickly. It will stick to like inner dry portions and stuff like that. I do not think that this is very beginner friendly at all. And a less is more approach is needed. I go in with a stiff brush. I literally tap a little dot of it on and then put it into place, and I pounce very quickly. I do one side at a time. It is quite punchy, very, very intense, very pigmented, and it will stick in place. You have to work very quickly. So if you did get this, just noting that for you guys. And then last but not least, I also received this in my PR box. I do have a 4 looks up with this palette. This is the NOMAD Cosmetics, the Princesa del Caribe palette. And of course, I will link that other video and stuff for you guys. I'm not going to open this because it is already promised to somebody else. So let me run that down very quickly. We got our NOMAD Cosmetics palette. We got our Huda Beauty, the Blush Filter Blush. We got the Skin & Co., the Umbrian Truffle Clay. We got the Verb Amber and Jasmine Hair and Body Mist. That's a really good size as well. And then we already got our lip tint. We got our lip tint that I already put in my things. So I'm gonna throw the box away. 5 out of 5. I love, love, love the variation here. We got some skincare, the fragrance, the makeup. We can kind of build a little bit of a face here with like the lip tint. We've got the blush. We can also use it as a lip product. And then the eyeshadow palette. I also opted for the beauty boost. And if you don't know what that is, if you do receive your Ipsy subscription for an additional $15, you can add a beauty boost item. And this month it was an eyeshadow palette. And I want to say the retail on this is $49, $54, something around $50, so more than pays for my box. This is the Too Faced The Born This Way Sunset Stripped palette. And this is kind of very similar to, I think I still have it. Possibly I still have it. It is very similar to another one of their nude ones that they did kind of with this same concept of doing more like a light, a medium, and a deep like color story within the palette, keeping it very nude and neutral, but then like giving us those pretty, you know, shimmers and stuff like that. I like something like this. I know that neutrals are not always the most popular. I don't generally gear towards neutrals either, but the Nomad Air palette, the basic one, the standard neutral one, I use that and use that and use that. I take it for travel and stuff like that. I think that all of us, even if you are a color babe, even if you're a grunge babe, whatever the case may be, I think there's something just beautiful and classic about having just a soft neutral leaning palette. So I'm incredibly happy to have this, and again, that was $15. I also opted to get some add-ons this month. Y'all know I don't always do add-ons, but I got quite a few, so I'll run that part of it down really quickly. And most of this is going to be generally for like gifting, giveaways, or for my resale group over on Facebook. But a couple things, I like to spoil myself occasionally, you guys, so a couple things are for me. First up is the Dionis, the Goat Butter Lip Mask in Watermelon Burst. I also picked up the Tatcha, the Melting Lip Balm in Pinku. Y'all let me know which one I should keep. Obviously, I don't need both, but I wanted to get both of these. And I was going to keep both, but I don't need two. So which one should I keep? Dionis or Tatcha? Comment down below and let me know. Picked up both of those. I also picked this up for me. This is the Winky Lux, the Fruity Gloss, the lip stain in raspberry. And like I said, I love stains, whether it's the stain liners or an actual stain like this. I love stains. They are very, very long lasting. They're beautiful and stuff like that. So that is for me as well. Next up, I picked up a few shades. I may try one. I'll see. I generally get stuff like this, like I said, for my beauty group. But this is the Ace Beauty, the Ready in 5 Hydrating Creamy Concealer. I picked up 3 of them. I got light 2, light 4, and medium 1. It is really hard to tell because the actual packaging is more like white. So I would have to go online and see the shades to maybe determine if I might keep one and try one. Y'all know that the Tarte Shape Tape Ultra Creamy is my all-time favorite concealer ever. I've probably gone through 10 by now. I have 4 in there right now in like the different shades that I use throughout the year. So I want to try this and kind of compare it to that. So if you've tested this, let me know. But yeah, I picked up a few of those. I picked up a couple of brushes. We have this little beauty here from Pinky Bee Beauty and Ermarger. Is that so pretty, you guys? It's pink with ombre, and then the actual bristles are ombre as well. We have a beautiful like red gingham with the little jewels. I picked up a little mini of the Smashbox Pore Vanishing Primer. I picked up this little cutie patootie, the Beauty Creations, the Sweet Lip Oil. I guess that's the flavor or the shade. It just says Sweet Dose. I don't know, y'all, but I thought it was super cute. I also picked up the Seraphine Botanicals, the Power Curl Mascara. I actually got this for myself, but I got one in my Ipsy that I just opened, my OG Ipsy, so I'm going to probably put this over in my group. Next up is the e.l.f. Skin, the Holy Hydration, the Clean Freak Daily Cleanser. Refresh and hydrate with 1% hyaluronic acid complex. That thing is massive, you guys. This I got for myself, but I don't know if I'm going to keep it or not. If you've tried it, let me know. Next up, I did also get another of the Alamar palettes to put over in my resale group. The palettes and stuff like that generally do pretty well. The neutral leaning one, I felt like, in my personal opinion, was a little bit more punchy. I liked the shimmers a little bit more, but I did like this enough that I am keeping mine that I got in PR, so I also got one of those. I picked up a Real Her Every Shade Is You eyeshadow palette. And then last but not least, I picked up a Toy Factory face palette. That was a lot to get through, and I'm sorry, and thank you for still being here. I would like to know what you guys received in your box. Did you add add-ons or anything like that? Do you get the beauty boost, and what did you think of it if you did receive it? Comment down below, let's have that conversation. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you did enjoy. You can hype my videos, you can share them out, and there's a join button down below you can click to become a channel member for some exclusive perks. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties. Have an awesome day.